Yeah.
Take a left here. Here we are in Banff, Canada, Alberta, Canada.
Yep.
National Park, and we're gonna be taking a left here on Banff Road. Okay, kind of. We can make this. Lots of people. It's a tourist area.
Clean up the sky. Oh crap.
We can go, kind of. Woo! Up here we go, down Banff. Banff, sorry.
Does it look like the United States?
Not here it doesn't, right? Oh, I missed the band. Oh well. I think you need to move over because you need to take a right on, or maybe a left. Sorry, Kata. Let's take a left on Wolf.
Wolf?
Wolf. Not this road.
This
What?
wings are
Spicy?
clean up the sky. Heaven's cry. Neon, neon.
What do you think, Benjamin? Kind of bored a little bit? Uh-huh.
Look.
Benny, what are you doing?
Bye.